Hey guys, this is Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson. Yeah. Now here I have a clip or a magazine, right? I got hollow tips. Yeah. Right? For protection only. As you can see, this is the 9mm Taurus G3. As far as I know, it came out 2019. Right? Nice. Nice. It's cool. Hold on, let me move my hand right here. You never want to point your gun at anything you're not going to shoot. Right? All right. So, my advice to those of you who want to look down the bore or the barrel, got the bore on the inside. If you want to look down that, just take the gun apart. It's pretty easy, right? So it is already cocked back. As you can see, I got the slide catch on, right? So you have this little piece here, and this little piece here. The pull down or the break down, whatever you want to call it. I grab the gun like this, even though it's cocked. Push it down. Once that's pushed down, right? Take the slide catch down, squeeze the trigger. Yeah. Okay. Now it's separate. I always want to make sure that it's empty before you do anything. Once you take it apart, hopefully it's empty. Now, let me explain. When I'm cleaning this, I'm going to take the spring out of there, right? And this is for the people first time, or if you just want to get a little more practice in. So you actually have a little piece down here that this piece here, see? So this goes in the front, this goes in the back. It's a little latch right there. You see it? It's small, right? So now we're gonna take the barrel out. Here, let me do that again. We're gonna take the barrel out. I push it up with any finger you choose. I grip the slide, push it up, pull it out. Everything is all good. Right? So now we have the gun disassemble, the firearm, 9mm. I'm cleaning it. I got this here. I actually have two of these. You can go on Amazon and you can get these to put through the barrel to clean it. It's real good, real nice, right? So you lead it in with the lace. It has like a little small weight on it. And then you pull it through this side here. I like to use that CLP, as you can see. And I like this one here. Yeah. And I mean, some people may say you don't need them both. I like to use them both because I like to make sure my gun is lubricated. My firearm is lubricated. It's also good to get one of these little pouches here with your little kit. Right? I know some of y'all want to get straight to the cleaning. And if that's the case, you can always fast forward. But usually they come with little mechanisms or pads that you can clean it with or wipe it down, the dirt and the oil. And you have this piece here. It helps you to, oh, not that piece there. This piece here, it helps you to extend whatever you're trying to clean it with. If I had like, you know, some paper or something, Not paper, obviously. I mean, if you had to use like tissue, then use some good tissue. But I typically like to use t-shirts. Cut up an old t-shirt that's already stained. Go ahead and use that. You got your brush here and different components to help you clean if necessary. As you can see, I like to use the brush. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna use the CLP. Very good product. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it ain't much in there. So you just want to put it not too much. Well, it depends on what you call too much. You want it to kind of leak off. I use a cardboard so it don't mess up my carpet. And I like to do it in the carpet. You could do it in the garage, but it's hot out here in Texas and I don't feel like going to the garage. Probably can get a fan or something, but this is good for now. So you really just want to look. You see the oil in there? You see? This is like cleaning, right? Cleaning liquid for you. Also want to put it down the barrel or the bore. Drips out, turn it back, let it turn. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you got like little twirlies in there. Can you see it? Yeah. All right. I really don't mess with the magazine or the cartridges. I mean, you really don't. I don't feel it's necessary. Some people may beg to differ, and that's fine, but I don't feel it's necessary to go ahead and disassemble this or wipe this down with oil, which I probably already got some on there, but that's fine. And then you want to take the spring. Like, that's basically what it does. Yeah, you can buy more of these. You know, if yours ever get damaged, and you can buy more of the barrel if you need. They got different colors, gold, silver. You can go online and do that. You can go to the Taurus website. You can do that there. I know I've seen some stuff there, and it's all good. You just want to keep your firearm lubricated so that it doesn't jam on you, or try not to jam on you so it don't, get stuck, backfire, stuff like that. You just want to keep it nice and smooth, right? Everybody has their own method of cleaning things. So I'm cleaning the barrel right now. Here we go, right? Take that, straight in there, put that through. And I'll probably do it like once or twice. Now the same one that you use for a 9mm, I find myself using for my AR-15. Because the AR-15, I had the 5.56 and the barrel or the bore, whichever you prefer, it's real tight and thin. It's loud. It's powerful. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this. This is the slide. I'm just wiping it down, spreading the liquid so it'll spread all through. Right. It's not too dirty because I cleaned it not too long ago. I like to go to the range at least once a month, sometimes twice. It just depends on how I feel, because I work for a living. So you want to wipe all this down, get it nice, clean, and smooth. Yeah. Ugh. here we go, right? Take some of the hopes. And I like to lift up this is the slide catch, this little device right there. You can push it up. I like to push it up, get a little liquid in there, right? Get it in the grooves. There we go. Nothing crazy at all. You just want to keep everything working. So you're able to have fun at the gun range, or if you're going hunting and competitions, you know, whatever you decide. Me, I did not compete. I just shoot for fun right now. I'll probably go hunting next year. That'll be a sight to see, right? Keep you guys updated. So next couple of times that you see me, I'll be cleaning different firearms, and then we will eventually get to the fire range for the range, and you'll be able to check me out there. Have some recordings. I have some recordings already. Sorry, I've been doing a lot around the house. I got some recordings now and I could possibly post, but it was nothing intentional to post. And if I do it, I prefer to do it intentionally to post, but if not, that's cool too. All right, now this I got on Amazon as well. This is the holster in Texas. You can go ahead and carry this in your front seat, your firearm, as long as it's in the holster, right? Yeah. Or, of course, concealed. You can put it in your armrest. You can put it in the trunk, which is probably one of the safest places to put it. All right. Now, I had oiled everything down. Everything looks good. I mean, this is from, you know, over time using it. I still got plenty of space. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, gotta put that in first. That's okay, I get it. So you put that, you see how it's gonna be like that. So when I put it upside down, I'm gonna put the barrel inside of the slide, push it forward, pull it back. And then you're gonna put this part in there, right? You gotta make sure it don't fall. You see how you have the lip here, but there's a smaller lip under there, and it will not fall. So, everything is oiled, looking good. I take these two. There's two grooves right here, and there's also the little grooves right here. You slide it on, guide it up, it's back, cock it. You want to make sure it's empty at all times, right? Nice. Go ahead and wipe down the exterior right quick. Yeah. And I'm also looking at a 45 ACP. Maybe within the next month or so, I might go ahead and cop one of those and do a show on those. But I do have right, different firearms that, so I press the slide catch forward, it's done. It's nice. Dry fire. You already know it's empty because I showed you. Over and over again, right? Another way you can do it when you're having loot, like if you know that it's really been greased up, lubed up, whatever you want to call it, then you will know, because you'll be able to hit the slide catch easy. No problem. You won't have to chisel down anything, right? Pull that back, slide catch up. Cool. Okay. So you can also cock it back and let it go. You know, I didn't have to do anything to it. and everything is all good. You also got a safety on here. Wow, you cannot pull the trigger. All right, take it off. Dry fire, it's empty. Pull the trigger. Never point at anything you want to shoot that you don't want to shoot. I didn't even use this, I was just showing you. So, that's it for the cleaning. You know, it's always fun. The bigger the gun for me, the longer it takes. You know, I appreciate this. And if you ever decide to get you a firearm, you know, understand that it's for self-defense. You know, a lot of firearms are used to actually shoot animals. So if it's not self-defense, which if you do try to use it for self-defense, hopefully it's a good reason, because you might as well say, shoot, whether you're right or wrong, you still may have to go to court. So you're looking at $10,000 to $20,000 a bullet, you know, depending on your case or whatever. So, I mean, really think about it, you know, really think about, and I know, you know, in trying times, you don't have time to think about it, but let's just stay safe out there. And if you're just going to the range or doing something positive, let's just stay positive and enjoy the shoot, enjoy the range. Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Holla back.